Get ready to discover 15 cool tools that go way beyond the basics. These innovative gadgets are designed to take your DIY, home improvement, or work projects to the next level. Whether it's through smart features, multifunctional designs, or unmatched durability, each of these tools delivers performance and convenience like never before. If you love smart gear that works harder and smarter, this list is for you. Lift and Slide Cart. The Lift and Slide Cart, priced at $198,534, revolutionizes vehicle cargo loading with its effortless lift and slide mechanism. Designed for safety, compatibility, and durability, it allows heavy loads to be smoothly transferred onto truck beds or cargo bays. No manual lifting required. Battery-powered operation, user-friendly controls, and all-terrain mobility make it ideal for any environment. Crafted from premium steel, it's built to last while offering compact storage. Whether you're loading cargo for work or travel, the Lift and Slide Cart provides a stress-free, efficient solution for transporting heavy items with ease. Hilti P3D 800. The Hilti P3D 800 is a high-performance laser scanner designed for precision and efficiency in 3D scanning applications. Featuring a 360 Gruel X200A2 field of view, an ultra-fast scan speeds up to 500 kHz. It delivers detailed, accurate data with ease. Using digital pulse technology, it measures distances from 0.6 mm to 80 mm with under 1.5 mm accuracy at 30 mm. Its automatic calibration ensures consistent performance over its lifespan. Equipped with calibrated 10MP coaxial cameras and software compatibility with Trimble and Scantra 3.4, the P3D 800 is ideal for advanced point cloud capture and construction layout tasks. Hilti Nuron VC 4X22. Hilti Nuron VC 4X22 is a powerful cordless dust extractor designed for job site efficiency and mobility. It features a 15-litre tank, automatic filter cleaning, and optional backpack straps for hands-free use. Compatible with blades up to 5 inches, it supports both wet and dry applications. Bluetooth connectivity via dongle enables remote control and auto start. Built to meet OSHA Table 1 standards, it ensures safer dust management. As part of Hilti's Nuron platform, it runs on Nuron batteries and offers accessories like HEPA filters, fleece bags, and eco mode for battery conservation. Jonard KN-300INS. The Jonard KN-300INS replacement blade set, priced at 44 Bartos 26, is designed specifically for the KN-300INS insulated cable dismantling knife with blade guard. These ultra-sharp stainless steel blades ensure clean, precise cuts through cable jackets and are ideal for maintaining peak tool performance. The replacement blades come housed in a secure plastic casing, allowing for quick and easy installation. Simply snap and lock the housing into place for reliable use. Engineered for durability and safety, this replacement set helps electricians and technicians work efficiently while minimizing downtime on the job. Slabathor Meet. Slabathor, the ultimate robotic router, sled priced at $214,979 to build to flatten any size wood slab with precision and ease. From delicate cutting boards to massive end-grain slabs, Slabathor handles everything from softwoods to epoxy-filled hardwoods without breaking a sweat. Its rail-on-rail design allows infinite width capacity, while the compact setup saves space in your workshop. Control feeds, speeds, and cut progress with just 3 simple buttons. With a universal router mount and quick setup, Slabathor redefines convenience and performance for woodworkers tackling serious builds. Zirocco Hammer Jet. The Zirocco Hammer Jet is a high-performance surface dryer engineered for demanding tasks like road marking, joint sealing, waterproofing, and thermoplastic applications. Capable of drying at speeds up to 2.5 km/h, it offers unmatched efficiency and versatility with interchangeable nozzles. Its compact, lightweight design ensures easy handling, while fuel-efficient operation and a replaceable turbine module keep maintenance minimal. With advanced features like telematics, GPS, and a 4.3 display, it provides precise control and monitoring. Whether for roads or roofing, the Hammer Jet delivers powerful drying with precision, speed, and reliability in any environment. WrinGo. The WrinGo is a professional-grade sponge wringer built for maximum efficiency and durability. Featuring a patented squirrel cage design, it agitates sediment from sponges before wringing, ensuring a cleaner result. Solid nylon rollers extract maximum water, delivering the perfect dampness every time. Constructed from stainless steel, WrinGo is built to last in tough environments. Its bi-directional switch allows forward and reverse operation, while the integrated safety switch engages only when placed on a bucket rim. Compatible with popular sponges, is ideal for a wide range of cleaning and tiling tasks. Malco Bender. The Malco Bender is a professional-grade metal bending tool designed for precision, durability, and flexibility. Built with a modular system, it allows customization with single or two-station setups and removable discs for easy mid-panel removal. Its angled roller prevents scratching during 90-degree bends, while a large radius accessory enables smooth, soft bends in metals like zinc, copper, and aluminum. Made from CNC aluminum and stainless steel, it's engineered for long-term reliability. Lightweight and portable, the Malco Bender is ideal for HVAC work, roofing, siding, and other detailed construction or fabrication tasks. Shark TurboBlade. The Shark TurboBlade, priced at $299,199, is a high-performance bladeless tower fan designed for powerful, quiet, and customizable cooling. Its unique pivoting design allows vertical and horizontal airflow, with twistable vents and 180-degree oscillation to deliver cooling up to 80 feet away. With 10 speeds and matching noise levels, it's perfect for everything from gentle sleep settings to full power circulation. Dual blades and wide coverage provide 2x more cooling, while its bladeless design with dust defense ensures easy cleaning. The TurboBlade includes a remote control for effortless operation anywhere in your home. DEWALT Deburring Tool. The DEWALT 20V Max Pipe. Deburring Tool DCE71TOB is a versatile solution for efficient inner and outer pipe edge deburring. It handles copper, stainless steel, black iron, EMT, RMT, and plastic pipes from 308 to 2. Key features include rust-resistant blades, dual finger protection bumpers, and Tool Connect TM compatibility for tracking and asset management. Part of the 20V Max system, it works with existing DEWALT batteries. The tool also features a removable cutting blade and variable speed control, making it ideal for professionals in plumbing, HVAC, and electrical fields. Backed by a 3-year limited warranty. Leister UNIPLAN 5 in 10. The Leister UNIPLAN 5 in 10 is a high-performance automatic welder designed for efficient and precise welding of industrial fabrics. It features a high-class welding nozzle for improved heat distribution and performance. The durable brushless motor runs at 18,000 RPM, ensuring long life and minimal maintenance. Its swivel lever allows quick and easy nozzle engagement, while the automatic material lifting device streamlines setup and operation. An advanced HMI, human-machine interface, enhances the user experience with intuitive controls. making the UNIPLAN 510 ideal for demanding applications in banner, tarp, and roofing material welding. Foampro Tape Cap. The Foampro Tape Cap, priced at $7.99, is the ultimate tape companion for clean, tear-free application and perfect cuts. Designed for both DIYers and pros, it delivers straight edges and flawless corners every time. Its built-in cutting guide ensures professional results, while the corner cutting feature makes taping around tricky angles effortless. Never lose the tape edge again. Tape Cap keeps it accessible and tangle-free. Ideal for painting, labeling, crafts, and organization. This tool unleashes creativity with convenience and precision. Simplify your projects and elevate your results with Tape Cap's smart design. Montezuma Toolbox. The Montezuma Toolbox, priced at $460, is built for durability, organization, and security. Made from 16-gauge steel with fully welded seams and a powder-coated finish, is tough enough for demanding work environments. Weather-resistant seals protect tools from dust and moisture, while the innovative multi-tier triangle design ensures easy visibility and access. Steel pegs hold sockets and wrenches securely, and adjustable dividers add flexibility. A gas spring lid, sturdy side handles, and a locking mechanism with double-cut keys enhance usability and security. Ideal for SAE and metric tools, it's backed by a 5-year warranty. ESTWING AL Pro. The ESTWING AL Pro hammer, priced at $114.31, is engineered for performance and comfort. Crafted from forged aircraft aluminum alloy, it's lighter than titanium, allowing faster swing speed and reduced fatigue. It features a perma-cap steel head for added strength, a magnetic nail starter for one-handed use, and dead blow technology with vibration dampening shot for controlled impact. ESTWING's patented shock reduction grip minimizes vibration by 70%, enhancing user comfort. The interlocking steel claw offers superior prying power. Proudly made in the USA, the AL Pro is a premium tool built for professional-grade durability and precision. Versa Air Sprayer. The Versa Air Sprayer is a cordless, all-in-one airbrush system designed for precision, ease, and versatility. It features instant color change, adjustable air pressure, 0-30 psi, and multiple nozzle sizes, 0.2 mint, for a variety of painting tasks. Its built-in laser provides accurate spray guidance, while the continuous air supply (KS) system ensures steady performance. Quick Swap Nozzle (QSN) technology eliminates the need for cleaning, saving time. With over 2 hours of battery life, ergonomic design, and cleaning-free operation, the Versa is ideal for both detailed art and larger projects.